Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Meghna. So all throughout YouTube and the internet there has been just one video getting viral, which is testing out viral fashion hacks from 5 minutes craft or maybe Blossom or any certain site. So I thought why not try this and show it to you guys if these hacks actually work or not. So yeah, I've chosen some of the hacks from both the websites and I'll be trying these for you guys, and let's see how this comes out. So guys, this is the final look. I think this is pretty decent. It looks good. It is those bohemian kind of a dressing style that you generally buy on Shein and all these kind of websites. So yeah, this is good. This is kind of a crop top which you can pair it with the high waist jeans and all. If you look at the back situation, it's something like this, which is pretty okay. Like if you like, I am wearing a top inside, so then I can pull it off easily. Even if you're not wearing the top, you can do it if you wear a backless bra or something like that. It's very doable. It's a thumbs up for me. I like this hack. Yeah, the hack has turned out like this. It's pretty decent from the front. It looks very like those shrugs you wear, the bohemian kind of a shrug. But if you look at the back situation, this kind of fits very oddly. I mean, why is it क्यों लटका हुआ है ये ऐसे पीछे से? So it's very weird for me. But yeah, from the front, if you want to try, you can try this hack. It's good. You can pair it in ethnic wears or any sort of white kurtas with a colorful dupatta. You can do this kind of a style. It will look a little bit edgy. And yeah, one more thing I want to do with this, which I think might look good, is you take the middle portion and just somehow try to knot it down with this knot. I think it will work. Okay, so this is how the hack has turned out, my personal hack. So yeah, now what you can see is the back position is also nice. Nobody can tell you that you have done some jugaad and fixed this up as a top or an outfit. You can totally wear this outside also, inside for casuals, for anything, for ethnic wear, anything. This is a very nice hat. I think anything can be jazzed up with this kind of a shrug style scarf. So yeah, it's a thumbs up for me. I pass this hack. I could tie this in my bag. So yeah, the hack has turned out like this. I think this is pretty decent from the front. I mean, this looks like those bohemian dresses which you can totally pull off casually when you're going out for a dinner party or something. This bangle looks very flattering from the front. It looks very cute. And I think if you take a longer scarf, you could easily tie it in the back, and that's it. There's no flaw in this hack. I think I can pull out this in outside also. So this is the back position. You cannot see anything inside, so it's pretty decent. I would give this hack a thumbs up. It's a yes for me. like I have taken a cotton shirt and a somewhat satin shirt over here, so it does not fit very well, and the buttons of this shirt are smaller than the keyholes of this shirt, so it's coming out. So it's very, you have to plan this thing very well to make this outfit work. So yeah, otherwise this is the back situation, and I think if you take two similar shirts you can still pull out this hack. Otherwise I don't think this is a good hack for me. So I am in between for this hack. I mean, I could not do it properly, you might do it properly. So yeah, it's in between. I won't give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's a okay hack for me. Turned out to be like this, and this is the back situation. I think this hack looks okay because if you, style it properly, if you literally need a big oversized shirt for this, and if you style it properly, it will look like those styles which Komal Pandey wears and Alia Bhatt wears, who has this collar thing from here and it's off shoulder from this side. So yeah, this might look good. Let's see how it looks after removing this top. Okay, so after removing the top, this hack looks something like this. I personally don't like this hack. If you like this, if you like such kind of an outfit, you can totally go for it. It looks pretty weird from this side, and then कोई भी बता देगा कि ये तुमने ऐसे जुगाड़ करके पहना है. So yeah, I won't wear this outside for any reason because it's very tight from here also. You need एकदम baggy shirts for this. Otherwise it's okay. If you can pull this off, you can definitely try this. But for me, this hack was a big no. So guys, these were all the hacks that we tried out in this video. If you